Morning, greetings and salutations, YouTube. It's Hadrian here. Welcome to another episode of the vlog. Check out my hair. It is like huge. Last night, like I took a shower and it was because it was like so hot, and I went to sleep with my hair wet, and like this is what happened. But it is a beautiful day today. It's really nice. It's pretty warm still. I think we're gonna go into the pool later, but check it out. Mom made some chicken skewers and we're gonna be barbecuing those in a little bit for dinner. And also these this like apple pie. It looks so delicious, like, right? Mom put it up, I think, on her Instagram, so if you want to go check it out, it's Hadrian's mom. I think she might have put up the recipe as well, but if you guys want it, just go over there and bug her. I also wanted to update you guys on this leafy leaf. Check it out, it just unfurled, so I'm very excited. It's half white, half green. So pretty. I think I'm actually going to be propagating this guy very soon too, once this leaf kind of like grows out properly. I think we're going to be trying to propagate it, so cross your fingers for me, because I've never successfully propagated a thing from this plant. And it's very sad. But this other leaf looks like it's, people have been telling me that I've been using leaves that are like too high white. This one is like really, really green, and this one's only half. So I think it'll be good, but we'll see. It also has really good aerial roots. So I'm probably gonna cut it like right here, right? That's like a good spot. Unless I should do 3 leaves and go up to here. Or like up to here actually, so then I have like all the, I don't know, we'll see. What do you guys think? Comment down below. Should I do it here? This is cut 1 or cut 2. Let me know if you guys think 1 or 2, because I want to know what you guys think. I know a lot of you guys out there are really good at plants and stuff. I don't know, I've never had success. I've had success propagating other monstera, like my regular all green ones are so easy. And then I have these guys over here, super easy. Like, this is like a weed. I like it, always growing. These are so easy. These are so easy. Like, Mom literally just cut these and then stuck them in there, and they're just growing. And these, like, the little nodes just like pop out and grow easily. So I don't know, comment down below what you guys think. Let me know. Again, cut 1 or cut 2 for that plant over there. Also, Mom stuck this pineapple over here. I think it looks really, really cute. I think I'm going to be switching out this table really soon as well. I don't know, I was going to do it today, but I'm feeling a little lazy. TBH. Also, my mom ordered the kids some sunglasses. We totally forgot about them. We just put them over here. But, aren't they so cute? Where's the other ones? So these are Zach and Cade's, and then these are Eliza's, I think. Eliza wanted, because he wanted like blue ones, because he's really into blue. So those are the ones we got him. Look at this plant. Oh my gosh, I need to water it. Oh my gosh. We're gonna water it right now. I just finished grilling the chicken, and it looks delicious. Good job, bro. Jump, Eliza! Woo! Zach, let me see yours.
Get in the pool! Get in the pool! Get in the pool!
Okay.
Stir-fried cauliflower.
So Mom's making some stir-fried cauliflower. So what do you put inside, Mom?
Nothing, just salt and pepper.
And
A
soy
little
sauce?
bit of soy sauce. Yeah, garlic and onion.
Whoa, look at John swimming in there. Hi, Eliza. Eliza's swimming from John to Yasmin. Look at him go. Go, Eliza, go. Spray the kids, Mom. Alright, the kids are all eating outside, ready to go night swimming again, and we are over here at the table. So excited because this food looks so good. And for dessert, Mom's apple pie cake. It looks so good. Alright guys, what is up? It is now the next day, and I am in my room, and I am waiting for a Zoom meeting with the Goodwill. I think we're going to be working with a couple other like people from YouTube and Instagram. And I don't know, I think we're doing some sort of campaign with the Goodwill. So I'm pretty excited to see what we're going to be doing and talking about. I don't really know the details, but I'll let you guys know. But right now I'm just waiting for it. It starts in about 3 minutes. I don't know, I feel so excited because this is like my first Zoom meeting. Like everyone like has been on Zoom like this whole time. My nephews have been on Zoom meetings. Actually we did one Zoom with our neighbor because it was their birthday, but this is like my first Zoom like by myself, so I don't know. Anyway, that's what I'm waiting for right now, so I'll let you guys know how it goes afterwards. Alright you guys, I just finished my Zoom meeting with the Goodwill. It was so much fun. We're actually going to be doing a pretty cool event on May 5th, which is Giving Tuesday, and also it does happen to be Cinco de Mayo, and right? January, February, March, April, May. Cinco de Mayo. Yeah, it is, right? Okay, with this whole quarantine thing, I really don't know what day, what month. I barely know what year it is because I feel like this year, like, it's just been like a crazy. Anyway, so we're gonna be doing a really cool event for Giving Tuesday. It's gonna be like an all-day thing, and a bunch of us from Instagram and YouTube are gonna be doing like little segments throughout the day, and we're all gonna be showing you guys like different things. I don't even know exactly what I'm gonna do yet, so I'm gonna need your guys' help. Like, what should I do? Like, I want to do something that, of course, that pertains to the Goodwill, but pretty much my whole life pertains to the Goodwill and everything, like the thrift in general. And I was thinking, like, since it is Cinco de Mayo, like, I wanted to show you guys, like, maybe what we were going to cook and how we were going to decorate. And then they also, so there's, like, there's also the suggestion of doing something about, like, reselling online and all that stuff. And I was like, maybe a little bit of all three, but we only have about 15 to 30 minutes, and I was either going to do it live or I was going to do it pre-taped. So I honestly have no clue. So I'm asking you guys what you guys think I should do down below. This video is going to go up on Tuesday, and like, reply really quick because I have to think of what I'm going to be doing within the next like day or two after this video goes up. So I'm going to be brainstorming throughout the day and thinking about what I'm going to do. I feel like something like cooking would be really fun because I feel like no one else is going to be doing anything with food. There's lots of like home decor people, and then resellers and like fashion clothing people, and I'm definitely like a mix, I think, of everything, but no one else is doing anything with food, so I thought food would be really fun, and that we could cook with like my thrifted cookware, and then set up the table with like thrifted like home decor, and then I can also throw in like a little mini segment. I don't know if it's gonna be too like off the cuff, like off topic, but like with reselling and stuff you can do. I don't know, there's so many things, but I know like there's other people that could do that already, so I'm like not really like, you know what I mean? But let me know what you guys think. I think it's gonna be really fun. We're also gonna be auctioning like different things in the different segments, which I think is gonna be pretty cool. We're trying to raise money for the Goodwill, and we're gonna be auctioning off some pretty cool stuff. And I have to figure out what I want to auction. There's so many things running through my brain, but I want it to be really fun. I want it to be really successful. So once I find out more about the details of it, I'll let you guys know along the once I find out. I don't exactly know if everything's gonna be on Instagram, or I think it might actually be like a YouTube live thing that goes on throughout the day. So there's just like lots of logistics. So I definitely just want to figure out my topics first, I think is most important. So I'm gonna be like brainstorming right now, think about what I'm gonna do. And yeah, right now the kids are doing their homeschooling right now. It's a really nice sunshiny day, and I do have to package some stuff, so I think I'm gonna do that, and then brainstorm and do whatever else I was gonna do today. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Comment down below. Send me a DM on Instagram. And yeah, I'm really excited. Check it out, I have a new kid in my room using my little desk. What are you writing, Thackeray Banks?
An essay about how doctors help people.
Oh.
And
Okay, read your essay to everyone.
I'm not done.
You're not? Okay, you're gonna read it when you're done? Okay, start working.
Okay.
Also, check out my view right now. It's so pretty. Look at the flowers. Isn't that so pretty just to like open the window and like see all these gorgeous flowers when you open it? What a dream. Alright, you guys, Eliza wanted to show you what he made. Wow, let's see the front. Let's see the front, baby. Oh, what is that?
It's a sloth. It's a sleeping sloth.
A sleeping sloth?
Yeah.
Wow, it's so good. And Zachary, are you almost done writing your essay? Oh. Okay, I wanted to show you guys Mom's arrangements for the day. Look how pretty those roses are. And you put some olive branches, right? Whoa, it looks very bridal. Also, check out this yellow rose that Mom got from the garden. So pretty. Hey guys, I am getting ready to head out because I have to go drop off an international package at the post office. I'm actually not too sure if you can mail international packages by having them pick up. I think maybe you actually can, but I totally forgot to schedule it last night and I promised that I'd have it mailed out today. So I'm gonna go to the post office, just drop this off, and then I actually have to go to the bank as well. So it all works out since I have to leave anyway, and none of them are really too crazy because I'm not really going to interact with anybody in any of those places. So should be good to go. I have my mask, I have my gloves, I have my Clorox wipes. I'm going to leave the camera here though. So I'll see you guys back here when I get back. Alright, bye. Oh my gosh, you guys, our potato flour just came in the mail so Mom can make me more Korean pancakes. Exciting. And then what's more exciting is that John made paper flowers. John, show everyone what you made. Wow, those are gonna be the special ones.
The lotus buns.
Lotus buns. So they're cutting out the little paper for the bottom parts of our siopao. Yum. There's the dough. There's the chicken. There's the giant siopao named John.
Where is your
Alright, you guys, so now Mom is rolling out the dough. Are you going to give them this recipe or is this a secret family recipe?
Oh no, this is not a secret. I got this from a long time ago.
Passed down from generation to generation from our ancestors. From Grandmother Willow.
My dad actually doesn't make this for all the stuff that he makes. He doesn't make siopao because there's a lot of stores in the Philippines you can buy this. But since we don't eat pork,
and we're not in the Philippines. There's not very many places here that are easily accessible where you can purchase this right now. But yours is literally the best siopao in town, in the state, in the country, in the world. Wow, look at that technique.
I don't know. I'm trying to do the one that I saw on, but it doesn't look like.
Ooh, it does, it does, it does. Wow, it's like a flower. Wow, that looks good.
I don't know, good.
It's okay, it still looks good. Oh, how cute. Love it. Are those gonna grow when you put them in the oven or when you steam them?
Yeah, they're going to get a little bit bigger.
Did you steam them? Yeah, right?
Yeah. Look at rice.
If you guys want a video for how to make this from start to finish, comment down below. Send her messages on itsHadrian's mom so that she'll be forced to redo this recipe. And so that I can eat some more of them because they're really good. Don't just do it for yourselves, do it for me. I'm hungry.
That's what you want. Oh my god, this is so big. I think my shopper is so big. So you don't eat too much.
You make it big so I can eat a lot. Whoa, I'm so excited. So where did you learn this folding technique from?
I don't know, I just saw that on
You just saw someone
making this.
It looks really difficult. Oh my gosh, I'm not even filming you. It looks really difficult.
It is. It's like even I am having a difficult time with this. I think I'm not doing it correctly.
It doesn't matter, it still looks good.
I just want it to be close here because sometimes it opens.
Uh-huh.
So I want it close. There you go.
Oh.
Is this enough? I have another dough in the oven.
Maybe? Who knows?
Sarap na yung dough nito.
You should make them little because they're more fun when there's like a lot of them. So then it's like I'm eating 50 of them. Done. Don't eat 50 of them. Half of those are mine.
Jan is happy. Okay.
Alright, so mom made orange chicken. And then over here she has a chicken curry. But if you guys remember earlier, here... Oh my gosh, in all their glory. The siopao. I have to show you guys the siopao. It is so delicious. John, come over here. Open your siopao with me. On Instagram, on YouTube. Check this out. Ooh, that looks so good. Come on, John, we have to do a taste test.
Ooh, it's saucy.
I know, it's still hot still. Okay, 1, 2. Mmm. So good.
Yeah.
Hey guys, okay, so it is a lot later and I'm in my room now. I don't think I really vlogged too much today, but I did vlog yesterday and today, so hopefully there's enough to make a video. But I really want to get this video up because I really want to know what you guys think I should do for the Goodwill Giving Tuesday thing that we're doing next week on May 5th. So let me know. I'm really excited. Set your calendars. Once I find out like what my time slot is and like the layout, like I think you guys should watch everyone that goes on. I think it'll be super duper fun. I love everyone that's going to be participating. And I can't wait to see what they all do. We're all like so different and we all have like a cool like kind of unique perspective on thrifting and all that fun stuff. So I'm really excited to share with you guys what's gonna happen. And there's gonna be tons of giveaways too, so don't forget to check it out. It's, again, put it on your calendars, Cinco de Mayo, May 5th. But let me know what I should do down below because I really want your help. But that's it for now. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to check out tomorrow's new video bright and early at 7 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. And today there's actually 2 videos. There was a video up this morning as well. So go check it out if you guys haven't done so already. Again, don't forget to check out the shop. Everything is 25% off until Mother's Day 2020. I love you guys immensely and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Bye!